Hi, my name is Dawn, and this is my review of the Max and Lily Low Bunk Bed. I'm currently on vacation in St. Augustine, and one of the rooms read that it had a bunk bed, and it's a low bunk, which I've not had the experience with before, but am really liking. So, as you can see, it is only about 50 inches tall, which is great. If you have smaller kids, right, they're not too high off the ground. Also nice if you have adults sleeping in the bed, because they don't have a very far climb. Another positive is with the low bunk, it's essentially a platform bed, so you don't have to have a box spring or anything. You can see the top bunk has a guardrail. Again, safely secures kids. You've got a small ladder there, and it can definitely hold an adult. So I looked up the product and it says it holds about 400 pounds, which again is great if you also have adults potentially utilizing the bed as well, like in a guest room or in your vacation home, for example. So slept in this last night. It was comfortable, plenty of room, and yeah, just have been really impressed with the product so far. Again, this is the Max and Lily Low Bunk Bed in white.